that's a little bit easier to see. Then you also have the symmetrical node, which will give you a perfect curvature. So here, wherever I go, it'll give you the same amount of curve on both ends. So if I make it smaller, or I can stretch it, and it'll give me the same curve. Compared to this one, it's just going to do that single side. And then, of course, if we go with cusp, actually that was cusp, I'm sorry. Cusp will allow you to change each side at different times. And again, smooth is just, I can change the curvature of one side, but the other side will just move with it. It won't actually give me symmetrical curves. So, and I'll probably just do this right here. So like all this, I'm really not digging, so I'm just gonna delete it. And then I'm gonna adjust it a little bit. I'm gonna adjust this one as well. Go. The eye looks a lot better.